Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to LazarBeam channel analytics. LazarBeam has uploaded 1,221 videos. He now has 18.5 million subscribers with a total view of 7,110,004,556 views. He's from Australia, and his channel type is games. He created his channel since January 4, 2015. The grade he got is A, and his Social Blade ranking is at 624th. The subscriber ranking is 260th and then video view rank is 322nd. He ranked at 3rd in Australia and 21st in games. Next, the daily subs for LazarBeam is around 16.6k with a daily view of 5,054,494. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 5 million. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $20,000. Then, monthly income will be $600,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $330,000 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $3,960,000. That is how much LazarBeam earns from YouTube.